What are the fuse box locations in the 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ, and how can you identify each fuse's function with the help of a diagram? In this guide, we explore the exact locations, access methods, and layout diagrams of the LYRIQ's fuse boxes to help you troubleshoot electrical issues with confidence. Underhood compartment fuse block. The underhood compartment fuse block houses fuses and relays that protect essential engine and electrical components. It's typically located near the battery for easy access. This block ensures safe operation by preventing overloads and short circuits under the hood. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block houses fuses and relays that protect the electrical components within the vehicle's passenger compartment. These components may include power windows, audio systems, interior lighting, and climate control systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.